In this video, I'm going to be revealing how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. If you're looking to make $10,000 or more, and to be honest, this is not something that is going to be happening overnight. You're willing to watch the video and you're willing, most importantly, to be consistent, taking action. Definitely, this video is for you. Okay. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. To be honest, this is actually possible with you guys. I experienced this myself. I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs because first of all, I make the decision to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay. First of all, that's what I actually decided. And just in case that you don't know, affiliate marketing is basically when you have someone else who create a product or a service. Okay. More than 80% of the companies right now are offering this online. So we have here someone who created a product or a service. And here we have someone who is going to be a potential customer. This person is looking for some kind of information. And here you are, a middleman, and you're telling them like, hey, do you want to learn more about this? Check this here. Use my special link and you're going to have the opportunity to earn money with that. Okay. And that person is not going to pay something extra. As I told you before, this is exactly how I was able to replace two full-time jobs. Okay. But everything started this way. Everything started first with the fact that you need to pick a niche. Nowadays, the most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, just in case that you're curious and you're wondering, like Diana, so that means that I'm not going to be able to make money online with any other niche rather than this. Okay, that's what you're telling me. Like, I have to go with these niches. The answer is no. But these are the most profitable online niches. The reason why it's because people are looking to solve a problem. Okay. And because they're looking to solve the problem, they are looking to pay for a solution, or they actually have the willingness to pay for the solution. Okay. Most of the time with affiliate marketing, they already know about the product that is going to be helping them, but they're looking for reviews, they're looking for testimonials, something else that is going to help them take the decision. There are others out there who they know that they have a problem, but they don't know what or how the solution looks like. So we are going to be there and we're going to be sharing our experience or other people's experience, giving for them thanks and all that stuff. And again, the reason why these are the most profitable niches, health, wealth, and relationships, is because people are looking for a transformation and they are actually have the willingness to pay for it. Besides that, you need to build an audience. Okay. This can be a free audience or this can be a paid audience. By pay, I mean that you're going to be running pay ads. Okay, maybe Instagram ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, and all that stuff. Okay. But you need to create a content and you need to stay consistent. Okay. Actually, this is key. The fact that you need to stay consistent because there are people who actually get started and after sometimes not even a week, sometimes not even a day or so, they're like, this is actually not working. I'm going to go with something else. And they are suffering from the shiny object syndrome. You need to avoid that. There is a lot of opportunities out there. I understand it, but you need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success if you really want to build a profitable online business. Okay, you need to actually have to do that. You need to create content. This content, it's also cannot be some random content. It needs to be related to the product or service that you are actually promoting. And of course, it needs to be relevant to the niche that you are talking about. Also, something really important is that you need to have an offer. Okay. And a lot of companies out there, as I told you before, they are willing to pay you to promote their products and services. But you need to partner or you need to make sure that you're going to partner with a company that is going to pay you now and it's going to pay you later. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about this, right now we have a free training. I'm going to be leaving a link below. I don't know for how long I'm going to have it, but right now we have it. So if you're serious about learning this, check the very first link in the description. Okay, what I mean by an offer that can pay you now and pay you later, okay, is like this. Okay, right now there is a really popular program, which is the Amazon program. And put it here for Amazon. And by the way, I'm not telling you that this is actually wrong, and you can not go ahead and not promoting, because I'm also promoting products from Amazon myself. But the thing with Amazon is that you are sending the customer, Amazon is getting the sale, you are getting paid, but then they're still in touch with your customer. Amazon get the sale, but you are not getting any commission from this. Okay, because you don't have a an offer that pay you now and pay you later. Okay, because you do not own the customer. You need to have repeat customers. Okay, this works two ways. The first one is, let's say that we have the company, I don't know, company B. Okay, company B is gonna get the sale and you're gonna get paid. Okay, the same as with Amazon. But company B send another email with another offer. They make a sale, and here you are gonna be making way more money. Okay. Also, online there are products like your internet service right now. You went to your internet provider, you sign a contract, and you're paying every single month in order, to receive the service. That also happens. But also here, let's say that the product B have, I don't know, a $2,000 offer. They make the sale, and you're going to be earning here a high ticket commission, because this is a company that pays you now and they are willing to pay you later. Okay. But in order to make this, okay, you need to understand this. Okay. You need to have a system. Right now, there's going to be a two-step system. Okay. They're really easy to build. You don't need to you don't need to be a web designer. You don't need to be a developer. Really, you can copy other people's system as well with literally just a couple of clicks. My recommendation right now, if you're looking for that kind of tool, it's system.io. With system.io, you're going to be opening a free account. I'm going to be leaving a link below, and you're going to have a two-step page system. And also you're going to have the opportunity to build your email list. Okay. With this two-page system, here you have one page in which you're capturing their name and email. Here you're going to have a bridge page. This can be some text or this can be a video in which you're going to be introducing the solution, and this page is not yours. This is actually the product page. Okay, where they are going to be processing the payments and all the stuff. And the cool thing about this is the fact that since you captured their name and email, remember, you're going to have the opportunity to send them more information and valuable content about this, but also you can offer them other products as well. And you can partner with as many companies as you want. So you can have several of these companies in which they pay you now, they pay you later, in which you have the opportunity to have repeat customers, literally with one system in place. Okay. This is how actually people make money while they're asleep, because they have a system in place that is working. And this is actually the full equation. They pick a niche. Remember, these are the top 3 niches: health, well, and industry. They build an audience. So that means that they're getting leads and customers every single day. They have several offers, as I mentioned before, that pay you now and pay you later. So you're building your own customer base, okay, with a system that is actually working for you 24/7. But remember that this is not something magical. You need to make sure that you're consistent with yourself, that you're really committed with yourself, you're really committed with your success. And remember that that's how I actually was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. So again, if you want to learn more about this, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, click notification bell, and check the very first link in the description. And I see you guys on the next video.